Hi there. So the brand sent over this rechargeable ear cleaner. So let's take an up close look at it, and I'm going to demo it and we're going to see how it works. So in the package, you're going to get the ear cleaner itself, the cord for recharging it, additional irrigation tips, as well as some cotton swabs. There's also a detailed instruction book with everything labeled, as in the parts and how to use the machine itself. There's the front of the machine. You have your on button. It gets held down for 2 seconds and then it will turn on. The blue light here is the water temperature indicator. I don't have any water in there and it's showing blue because the water would be too cold. The best temperature for this is warm water around 98 degrees. So when I hit that right temperature, it's going to change to green. And if it's too hot, which is over 101 degrees, it's going to be red. The machine has multiple settings that you can change, from a soft wash to a normal to a strong wash, as well as a pulse. This little flap here is where the recharging happens, and when it is covered, is water resistant and can be used in the shower. The side of the machine has a lock and unlock function, and here is the clean and the sewage. So when it's opened up, it's a divided compartment. So the tubes go in the clean side, and then the other side is where the water will drain down into, so it can be rinsed out after use. Let's try it out. So the light is green. I've got it set to normal. I've got a wash rag just in case it leaks a little bit. Now let's see how it works. I feel that this was actually comfortable to use. I didn't feel that it hurt at all on the normal setting. I'm going to drain it and see if I got anything out. So I've used this on both my ears. On the first ear that I showed you guys, I didn't get anything. And actually on the second one, I did get some earwax in that out. I did not want to show that on camera. So I really like this product. The one thing I would say that I'm training myself on is the power button, because if there's water in the machine and this button gets pushed to put out the water, it's going to put out the water and it's going to spray all over the bathroom. I did shoot water all over the bathroom at one point. Good product, easy to use. I really like the indicator light to show me the temperature. The extra tips are going to come in handy when one finally goes. It's easy to clean. I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.